In this video, I will show you how to use keyboard as trackpad on iPhone. So let's get started. Note that this feature works on iPhone 6s and newer models. For the purpose of this video, let's use Notes app. You can use this feature where you have to type using iPhone keyboard like WhatsApp or email. Now create a new note and tap anywhere to start typing. Now while typing, press and hold spacebar and this will turn it into a trackpad. You can now slide using finger to move the cursor wherever you want and stop pressing the spacebar to place your cursor at the desired place to start typing. So that is how you can use keyboard as trackpad on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.